Hello friends, I'm RB and you're watching a tutorial on how to take a row level dump in MySQL. Previously I posted YouTube videos on how to take a database level or table level dumps, but today I'm gonna teach you how to take a row level dump in MySQL for particular records, rows which you want to take from a table. And so let's begin with it. It is not hard to take a row level dump, just you need to have to memorize the syntax, which predefined syntax you may say, which for by using which you will be able to take a dump. So let's begin with it. This is my syntax. You just need to memorize, or already know how to take a dump, but then also just see and memorize it. MySQL dump dash hyphen u. This is your username, hyphen p for password, and this is your password. And no create info. This no create info is a syntax given in MySQL documentation, which tells the MySQL database that do not create a dump with create tables in it. And this helps. This tells database that do not create table queries in it, because dump when you source a dump into your MySQL, this might cause a problem because your table is already created in it. So this specifies do not create a create table statement in your dump. This is your database name. Then later you need to specify your table name, extract output sign, and then the path where you want to keep your extracted dump, which has extension of .sql, and then at last the where clause where you specify the row level id. Anything you want to specify there, you can. This is the syntax which I wrote there. Now MySQL, my username, my password, this the database name, table, and the path where I need to take out dump, row level dump, and the row of which I want to take the dump. So first of all, write always. There's a good practice to write the queries in Notepad or Genie or anything you want before getting it done on your MySQL, because sometimes if query goes wrong, database will be crashed. So first write your queries in Genie. If you audit tables, then it is good. You can recover it, but if not, then your database might get ambush. So just first copy this. This is the path, and this is the query, final query which I want to execute on my database table YouTube with username, table name, user, and the file name this, and on ID this. It is on row level 0. Row level 0. Okay. Go to database. That's my table. The details present in my user table. Just my query, but I'm not gonna fire these queries in this MySQL because you cannot take out a dump when you are in MySQL. So go to the path or some at home, but I'm gonna go to YouTube. Place this. Press enter. You got a row level dump of row level 0 of row 0. This is the row dump. We will just open. This is all the metadata, the version which I use, database on which I'm firing the data dump query on row level, dumping data whatever users, all while importing the dump or while extracting dump, it logs the table on which it is gonna take a dump, and then writes the insert query of the specified row, and then unlocks the tables again, and the dump time taken. And this is how you can take a row level dump for specific row. Now currently I took a dump on row 0, and this is my insert statement which got out as an output in the file. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, share to all of them who are in need, who don't know how to take a row level dump. And thank you. Thanks for watching. Godspeed, Team RB.